Hello, welcome back to my blog with Archer and Olive. This time we are making a really quick, super simple gratitude log for Thanksgiving. Okay, so I know gratitude is like cliche and you hear it a lot this time of year, but I will show you how quick and easy it is to make a gratitude log so you can make one for your monthly setup every month and do it all year. So I, of course, am using stickers. Stickers are just easier than drawing for me. Stickers are fun. I love them, and they're super simple. So we're going to stick some of these sunflower stickers around the edge of the paper. It always is easier for me to trim from the back so I can see where the page ends. Ta-da! The sunflowers are like all year, but especially fall for me. They feel really seasonal. So we're just going to layer them. I love to layer stickers, as interesting to mention. And the gratitude log is just going to be where we can write something we're grateful for or a thought for each day of November. It's been proven to cause less stress, make you appreciate things more, etc., etc. And I think it's really nice, no matter what you write down, to sit down at the end of the day or first thing in the morning and write down your thoughts. So here, don't cut the ribbon. I know many of us have done that. I've done that to another journal before. I totally cut the ribbon when I was doing that. Not this time. I learned my lesson. So along with the flowers, we're going to use some pretty Archer and Olive washi or whatever washi you have. Definitely feeling the fall vibes with some of the warm tones and foliage motif. I used to be really concerned with ripping washi tape like precisely. I would use a card or a knife or whatever, but now I love the raw torn look, so I just use my fingers and I think it looks great. Next, what we're going to use, of course, calligraphs. I love these so much. The smaller tip is perfect for writing a header that is eye-catching with the color and the brush lettering, but is not enormous. Sometimes I could get carried away and I push too hard with a bigger tip and it ends up being way too big. So I decided to control the size by using the smaller tip of the calligraph. I love the contrast of like a teal color with the warm tones of the sunflower and the washi. So I just wrote gratitude log real quick, and then I put I am thankful for, and that's what we're going to fill in the rest of the month. Easy peasy. Next, I grabbed another calligraph. This one matches the sunflowers so well. It's so satisfying to find the exact color you were hoping for. And I love the way it looks. Whenever I do any kind of log in my bullet journal, I love to alternate filling in the lines. I just think it looks really neat, and sometimes it's actually really functional and helpful for you to know you're on the correct line, whether it's color or white. So there's 30 days in November, so we will have 30 lines alternating between the color calligraph and the white. It's so satisfying. Even when it's not perfect, the imperfectly perfect look is one of my favorites. You know, you're not using a ruler, but it looks nice and homemade. I'm adding a little more washi to the top here to carry the foliage up there. Pink. Perfect. And then I'm going to add some more sunflowers to fill in this border. I thought about, you could fill the calligraph lines like contouring the sunflowers or all the way to the end of the page, but I decided to just have it short like that on the page this time. After a quick trim, then I'm just going to number each row for each day of November and all 30 things that I am thankful for. Some of the things I am thankful for this time of year is especially friends and family and stuffing. Stuffing is my favorite part of Thanksgiving dinner. It is delicious. I am one of the only people in my family who like it, and I will eat it all if I have to. It is the best. I hope you find this useful. It doesn't have to be so complicated, and you can make a gratitude log all year long. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to follow me at According to Allie.